And while the cars are a little colder than the roadways, keep in mind that on the roadways, eventually, if there's
hunkering down here in New Orleans.
If it hasn't evaporated, you're going
Let me
to
turn off the TV.
For icing on the roadways, which is why it's a...
Well, give me a second. How's that? Save electricity that way. Better. Y'all can see me all right? Power just went out. How about there? Huh? Well, I ain't shaved in a couple weeks. We ain't had no power, no light. Razor blades, well, I can't find the damn things in the dark. And this stupid camera, I keep looking over there. I don't know why I'm looking over there. Why do you keep looking over there? I don't know, man. We just cooked us up some Seagull. We're lucky to get one. He landed on my back porch. My son clobbered him with a 2x4. Cleaned him up. A little salt and pepper, throw him in the pot. Little veggies in there. Cook him down for about 30-40 minutes. Best time to eat Seagull is when it's hot out of the pot. No doubt about it. Still hot. Still good. Hope we get another one. That's all we usually do them Seagulls down here in New Orleans. Wait till they land and then boom. Knocked out. No shotgun, no nothing. They're stupid birds. A little smarter than a crow, but they're still stupid. We sure do love them, though. I don't know if I should be videotaping or just eating. I sure do love my Seagull. So easy, too. You just pull them wings off, pull them feathers off, gut him, pull him out of that skin, throw him in the pot, salt and pepper. A little onion, bell pepper, garlic. No, not garlic, but maybe at the end or whatever. My grandmother, she used to slice them in half. She'd take a little garlic and butter, sizzle it a little bit, throw that damn thing in there, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Whoo, boy, they were good. Man, oh man. I got like 2 more bites left, so y'all just hold on a second. Nothing like some damn Seagull. Can't go to work. Got a freeze coming. And everybody's scared to death of it. So, we're all hunkered down here in New Orleans. I don't think anybody's got it as good as I got it. Hot Seagull. Oh, man. Pretty damn lucky about right now. Y'all still there? What I like to do with my Seagull, so I love the taste of salt. Take the Seagull, and I take it out of the pot, and I slice it. Flip it over, slice it some more, to where it's in little bitty strips. See if I can show you. No, ain't really that much left now. No. See? It's like the last bite. Oh, man. Oh, man. What I do is I fix a little bowl. Man. Oh, you can't beat that. Now, slice in little strips, like I say. And I put it in a bowl. Oh, I just farted. Sorry about that. And put soy sauce. Mix it all real good. I used to eat this stuff called beef tataki. This tastes 10 times better. Oh, man. Oh. Woo! Man, that is some good stuff. Y'all don't know what y'all missing down here. Louisiana's got some of the weirdest, crazy ass things y'all seen on the TV all the time, but I don't know why not making videos of us down here clobbering damn seagulls. We got billions of them. We got more seagulls down here than they got any place in the whole world. Just like I say, you find one sitting on the ground, sitting on a post, whack, bonk, he's knocked out. You grab him, you wring his little neck, yank them wings off. I mean, if you want to clean the wings and fry them, that's up to you, but it's just too many little bones and stuff. Whew. Man, oh man, oh man. I have just hit the finest eating there is down here in New Orleans. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Well, I gotta tell y'all, we're hunkered down here in New Orleans, Louisiana. Trying to fix the light a little bit better. I got a candle here. Can you see me? Well, I'm hunkered down here. It's freezing cold. I know you goddamn Yankees have this cold shit all the time. Well, we're not used to this stuff. And we sure as hell don't want none of that white shit. The ice, you're going to have ice no matter what. So, what are you going to do? Hunker down for a couple days. Y'all take care. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.